Sorry ass DJ.
My name is Schroeder Mendoza Hipolito from BSc 1C. The subject is P6 for Engineers. Topic is about frictions. So we have here an example about frictions. How much force is needed to keep a 300 kg box moving at constant velocity on a level floor? Use coefficient K, which is 0.28 for the coefficient of kinetic friction, which is 0.33, and for the coefficient of static friction. So let's say this is the ground, this is our ground, and this is the box, and this is the weight of box, and this is the normal force, and this is the applied force, which is the unknown, and this is the friction force, and of course this is the friction force. So for our free body diagram, we have normal force in this, and this we have friction force, and we have the weight, and we have the applied force. Assumption, which is the positive side, we have x and y. So, ang hinahanap natin ay applied force. To solve applied force, so first we need to solve the friction force. We have summation of f of y is equal to mass acceleration of y. So, motion vertically or acceleration, this is equal to 0. So by summation of f versus y is equals to normal force minus weight. So this is again cancel equals to 0.
Go.
So our normal force is also directly equal to the weight. So normal force is also directly equal to the weight, equal to mass times gravity. So by substituting the value, we have weight, which is 300 kilogram, times the value of gravity, which is 9.81 meter per second squared. So by calculating the value, we have normal force is equal to 2,943 Newton. Note, according to our problem, sinasabi dito na ang box ay moving at constant velocity. So means we use the exponent. Summation of fx is equal to mass acceleration of y. So this is equals to 0, so cancel. So summation of fx now is equal to force friction, or the value of acceleration, minus applied force. So dahil again, it is equals to 0 because there's no acceleration, dahil ang pinag-usapan natin ay constant vertical constant velocity. So now force applied is now equal to force of friction. So now applied force is equal to coefficient of kinetic times normal force. So by substituting the value, we have
Applied force.
applied force is equal to 0.28, which is the value of kinetic friction times 2,943 Newton, which is the value of normal force, so by calculating, we have applied force is equal to 824.04 Newton.
Game.
So this is the force that needed to keep a 300 kilogram box moving at constant velocity on a level floor. So that's it. Thank you.